I want to connect with student athletes. I don't care if you're in middle school, high school, or college. This is the group that I want to connect with. This is Dr. David Murphy, Coach Murphy, and I want to connect with the student athletes that are looking to learn how to not only be an excellent athlete, but to also be an excellent student. At a young age, they were given a coach, and that athletic coach taught them how to excel in a certain sport or multiple sports. You were never given a chance to do the same level of learning and the same type of coaching as it relates to being a student. You never learned how to study, you never learned how to plan out homework, never learned how to manage content from math, science, English, social studies, and to plan out your life in this balance between being an excellent and a high-performing student athlete. This is the kind of client I want to connect with. Academic coaching works. And it really works for the client that wants to figure this kind of stuff out. They're frustrated. They work super hard. We're going to help you work smarter, not harder. Give us a call. Let us know if we can help. Our office is in the South Shore, but we can work virtually with almost any client that's motivated to figure this kind of stuff out. We're happy to help and start as soon as you're ready. Give us a call and let's discuss how we may be able to help you.